I don't want to go down the rabbit hole of stock market conspiracy theories, but there is absolutely no doubt if you've been watching the markets for the last 2 or 3 weeks, they've been absolutely bipolar. This is a short-term chart here of the S&P 500. For the last 2.5 weeks, traded in a ridiculously super tight trading range of only 1.4%. And you've seen it, we both seen it. Markets open lower and finish higher, open higher and finish lower, go up and down, up and down, up and down all day long in these wild bipolar swings. It's been absolutely wild. And it's probably kicked a lot of people out of the market with their stops. And yes, I get it. We can blame it on these trillion-dollar funds and market makers and say, oh, they're manipulating the market. Let's not go down that rabbit hole. I do want to show you something else that's going on that is insanely interesting. This is not investment advice. Read the disclosures. There's been a real spike in very unusual options trading activity, essentially where people are gambling. Recently here, 62% of the options trades have been options with only 1 to 5 days to expiration, meaning people are buying options, generally call options or put options that are gambling, that expire either that same day or tops of a week later, and they are literally just gambling, day trading gambling, day to day, trying to make a couple cents a share, and then through the use of options and leverage, they're trying to scalp a couple bucks out of the market. This is totally skewing sort of the rest of the market, and this volatility here in trading these insanely short-term options doesn't show up in the VIX. It doesn't show up on the volatility index because generally the VIX is showing activity between about 27 to 34 days out, not ridiculously short-term like this. So it's not showing up in a lot of the normal metrics. And this has been really wreaking havoc in the market here. When the adults finally come back to the room, and maybe they finally are, yesterday, today, let's see what happens next week. I don't know. Maybe the kids keep running the asylum here. But with these people trading these insanely short-term options, it's one of the things that has been leading to a just totally crazy stock market. So if you have thought stock market doesn't make any sense, it's totally illogical, you're not far off, and this is one of the reasons why lately.